always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fish Tank. I am Cole, and today we are taking part in the Time for a Freak Show. Make it spooky or freaky invite with the Dib Boys. And today we decided to use this Rolls Royce made by Matchbox. And my goal today is to murder out a Rolls Royce. Let's jump into it. And before we jump into it, guys, I just wanted to let everyone know this car was started midsummer, and the clips, they aren't really there because honestly, I was preparing this car for something completely different, and then it got completely pushed to the side last minute, and I just thought this would be a cool project for this build. So that's what we're doing here, and there's a couple photos, a couple videos, but mainly it's a pretty quick video. So like I said, let's jump right into it. So after we took the car apart and managed to figure out what we wanted to do with it, we started with the wheels because I wanted to do a lot with the wheels because the original ones, they just were not it. And I wanted to put something a bit bigger and a bit more classy to replace them. After we figured out the wheels and how we wanted them stanced and leveled and stuff, we are going to quickly throw the car into the chum bucket as normal. We're going to lock that thing tight and we're going to shake it like it's never been shaken before.
Meanwhile, we're back in the fish tank.
Here's a better view of our car stripped and the stance of the wheels. So I put them more inside of the wheel well, and I lifted it with a axle tube just so it would give it more of that slammed look. I really wanted to give it more of a slammed look, but honestly, that's as low as I wanted to go before it just started looking really weird. So after this, we are going to see what we started with, and then we're going to see the end result. I'll see you over there. So guys, if you remember, this is what we started with. It was a pretty good car to begin with. It was a little beat up. The wheels were original, so those went. The car needed to be repainted. And honestly, it was a good candidate for a Halloween themed build. Because when you think of a Rolls Royce, I think of a bad guy. And what else would a bad guy drive if they had to murder out a car than a Rolls Royce? And guys, here is our final result for the spooky or freaky invite with the Dibs boys. Like I said, we murdered it out. We painted the interior purple just to give it a little bit more of a Halloween look. We clear coated the car with a matte finish. We painted the front grille as well, but we kept it more glossy, just a little abstract action. We did very minimum details since it was a murdered out car. So as you see, as it's going around the turntable here, the rear taillights are red, and then the headlights are red as well. And the most important part of this build, we focused on the custom rims, and honestly, it completes the car. It makes it a little cartoony, but I honestly love it. Guys, thank you for being so patient on my late video submission today. If you guys haven't already, go check out all the other Dibs Boys videos and everyone else who took part in the challenge. I'm very excited to finish this video up for you guys and watch them all. Thank you again for stopping by the fish tank, guys. And if you need anything, if you need to talk about something, if you want to make a trade, or if you want to have a commission done, feel free to email me or feel free to comment down below and we can get in contact by Instagram or something else. All right, guys. Thank you very much for stopping by. I'll see you in the next one. Before you guys head out for today, I just wanted to give you guys a quick reminder that the International Diecast Builders Monthly Invitational Calendar is posted for the 2025 year. So make sure you get your cars ready and join us for some more awesome builds. Thank you guys.